If you live in the United States, then I'm sure you have seen these cameras frequently popping up along your city. Let's take a quick drive here into Iberville, Mississippi and see how many of these we can spot. There's another one right there before that overpass. Might be hard for y'all to see on camera. And we got one right here. But let's take a little drive. We're starting off pretty quick. And here's another 2 cameras. It'd be hard to see there, but there's another one behind that sign. Another one coming into the Walmart parking lot. Got another one right here. Another one as you're entering the city. Don't worry, they're gonna utilize another license plate reader as we approach this traffic light. So we have one on this side right here. And then if we look over and across the street, we have another one over there. So within about a mile, we have already seen over a dozen of these cameras. And no, these cameras are not used to catch people speeding or even running red lights, but they do scan close to 20 billion license plates every month. Looks like somebody has even unplugged this camera. Now, I don't work for this city, nor do I know if that was intended or not, so we're gonna leave it just like that. This camera is from Flock Safety, and the installation of this device is actually quite simple. All you need is essentially a fence post, a couple hose clamps, and then a solar panel for power, and then you can have your own cloud-based license plate reader right there in your front yard. The camera itself is where it starts getting a bit more advanced. You see the sensor inside of this camera is actually an AI sensor. And that AI sensor that it utilizes inside of that camera is quite impressive, actually. You see every time a vehicle travels past that sensor, it not only picks up that license plate, but it also picks up the make and the color of these vehicles to really narrow down what it's seeking. This camera captures a license plate. It immediately sends that information over to Flock's cloud-based software. So just like sending a text message over your phone, this camera does the exact same thing. It uses a cellular service to send all of that information back over to Flock's database. If it seems like just overnight that you're starting to see these cameras everywhere, well, that's because from 2018, Flock Safety has deployed close to 100,000 of these license plate readers. And when a couple of those years in between 2018 and now, where the statistics were lower than ever on vehicle commuters, it really does feel like in the blink of an eye that you started seeing thousands of these cameras popping up out of nowhere. Now, where did these cameras come from? Now, the CEO and co-founder of Flock Safety is Garrett Langley, and after he experienced some home and vehicle break-ins in his neighborhood in Atlanta, Georgia in 2017, Garrett tried to use his home security system to help law enforcement find the person that was breaking into the homes in his neighborhood. Law enforcement told him with only blurry images of the vehicles and license plate, there was nothing they could really do with the footage. So Garrett came up with a prototype that was pretty much just a cell phone, a couple extra camera components, and a battery backup system with it. And shortly after, that camera was used to help law enforcement track down and catch the person doing the series of break-ins through his neighborhood. Came up with a camera specifically designed to capture license plates, and with a now proven product, Garrett and his co-founders immediately get to work on selling these cameras for all residential areas and HOA communities. And in 2019, after Flock Safety made a little bit of noise in the market, law enforcement agencies started buying them up like crazy to integrate them within their areas. And not only are these cameras equipped all around the place, they are even equipped in police vehicles that can automatically scan license plates for them. In 2020, cities were looking for a new, cheap, and affordable way to fight crime, and that is when this technology really exploded. And since law enforcement agencies could utilize these cameras to share data in between cities, once one city would purchase these devices, the neighboring ones would immediately do the same, so they would spread like wildfire. And by 2021, over 1,000 cities already integrated this device. And in 2026, Flock has now deployed close to 100,000 of these cameras within around 6,000 different communities in the United States. So if you're somebody that used to joke about China being a surveillance state, well, don't worry, the United States is quickly closing that gap. Now let's show where these cameras actually shine. Some communities have reported to almost a half reduction in certain crimes like vehicle break-ins and home break-ins. Overall, these cameras haven't really been shown to reduce violent crimes, but they have been used to help find those people that commit those crimes to about a 10% average across the entire United States. Because that Flock database is so large at this point, it is reducing the amount of time that it takes law enforcement agencies to actually capture those criminals. Not only are they used to help capture those criminals, but they can also use the evidence from the Flock cameras to actually prosecute those criminals in the court. And since you see these cameras everywhere and even on traffic intersections, it's important important to know that the majority of the cameras that you're going to see at a red light are not license plate readers, but they are simply there to help you get a green light or even to monitor traffic like you see this camera here. Cameras at a red light are not there to stalk you, but to simply make a traffic intersection more efficient. So please do not attempt to unplug a camera at a traffic light like I've seen with lower hanging flock cameras, because nobody wants to wait extra time here at an intersection. License plate readers are not new. In fact, it was about the 1970s when the United Kingdom actually started rolling them out and implementing them just about everywhere to help fight against terrorism. While that sounds like a great deal up front, those same license plate readers in the United Kingdom are now used to find people that have non-fuel efficient vehicles, mainly farmers that are coming into the cities to sell their products. Now, Flock's intended use is not to fine or send any tickets to anybody in the mail, but really to just be utilized to help solve crimes. I am curious, so in the comments down below, let me know if your city has started implementing these devices, and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on them. There are plenty of other license plate readers that you will see along the United States other than the Flock cameras, and those license plate readers are utilized to catch people running red lights, speeding, or even if they don't have insurance, it will send them a ticket in the mail for that. Now, a lot of people want to know, what is the cost of the device and services of the Flock cameras, and who pays for it? And believe it or not, the cost of the single device itself is pretty affordable, where it's ranging around $2,500 to $3,000, especially on the first year with the installation, and then every year after that around $2,500 for the services. Seems pretty affordable, but at $2,500 a year, and we just drove less than a mile and saw over a dozen of these cameras, it adds up pretty quick. So who's paying for it? That's quite simple as well. If you see this camera is pointed out into a state or city road, as a taxpayer, we are. If these are facing into a city or state road, we're covering the cost of the services and the installation to every single one of these devices. While other ones that are used to protect parking lots of businesses, usually the business will cover the cost of the services and fees of the camera. Now, most cities buy multiple of these devices, and the average for most cities is going to be around 30 to 80 of these devices, while in metro areas is well over 100 to 300 of these Flock cameras in given areas. So it's no surprise that it feels like just overnight that you're starting to see hundreds of these cameras everywhere. License plate reader scanning thousands of license plates per minute. The capabilities of it seem to be pretty pleasant. We're giving law enforcement extra tools for them to do their task, and it keeps us safe and secure in our own cities. So picture this camera as the traffic industry Ring doorbell camera. And just like Ring using those cameras to make sure that you never lose your dog again, that is exactly what these cameras are going to do. Make sure you never lose your child again. And everything is great, all up until your doorbell starts trying to sell you something from Amazon. So whether this camera is going to be used to catch a bad guy or just see your shopping habits that you have whenever you enter D'Iberville, Mississippi, it looks like these guys are here to stay. So as I try to stay as biased as possible for this video, and we all have our own opinions, I hope you enjoyed this video and even learned a little bit about these Flock cameras that you are seeing appear everywhere across your city. And if you did enjoy this video, then make sure to check out the Traffic Light Doctor YouTube channel, and even consider subscribing if you want to see hundreds of more just like this one. And I won't even try to sell you anything off of Amazon unless the company is willing to pay me. Yeah, I need a little bit of money. Thanks for watching.